Hey everybody, we're in Quarantine Cuisine, and how are you? Happy Passover!
Happy Passover, everyone! Happy Pesach!
I am so happy to be connecting with you guys. This isn't going to be a long one today, but there was no way I was not going to connect with you all and say Happy Passover, Happy Holidays, Happy Quarantine, whatever you're doing together or solo. I hope that all of you guys, no matter what, get to reach out to your family and friends virtually. I know we're going to have a virtual Passover dinner pretty soon in a few minutes with all of our family from all over the country. So I'm just so excited to be here and have a chance to say hi and wish you all such a happy holiday. And I'm going to make something really cool. I'm going to make waffle iron latkes, okay?
I got to say,
yes.
No one in my family has ever made these, and we have a big family.
Yeah. Well,
leave it to the Greek Orthodox.
Yes.
To figure this out.
I'm an honorary Jew.
Yes, you are.
Jewish.
Oh,
for
forever.
Sure. So I'm learning, but I'm learning some new fun techniques as well to do with old traditions. So what we're doing here is I just basically made the latke mix the same way. I did shredded potatoes, diced onion, a little bit of egg in there, some salt and pepper. Very simple, but I'm doing it. I'm having some fun with these waffle irons.
And if people didn't have like a lot of potato, they could like use matzo meal to fill it. Or...
Yes, use some matzo meal to fill it up. And also, if you have a big waffle iron, you don't have to use these. We just happen to have these little guys right here because the kids like to have fun with it, and then we play with it and do different things. But I'm doing these latkes, and I've already done. I did one with sliced apple, rosemary, and honey. I actually pulled out my stash of caviar that I've been hiding from everybody. So I'm using, because it's a holiday, it's a special occasion, so I'm
she hides it from us.
Stash in my safe, my caviar safe that I have, which is like about that big. And a little bit of sour cream here, chive, and then on this one, I thought I would do
some applesauce,
maybe a traditional, maybe a traditional one with some
sour cream,
sauerkraut, a little bit of applesauce on there, right there on top. And, ooh, that looks so good. And you guys were busy too. Nicole and the boys, Nicole and Cage actually were in the kitchen today, and they made mandel bread. This is great grandma Rose's mandel bread recipe. And
Cage put a spin on.
Cage, our 12-year-old, put a spin on it. He did chocolate mandel bread, which is really
He's amazing.
Good. Really good. And he actually added a little bit of almond extract, so gave it a little chocolate almond flavor, which is, you're speaking my language there with almond, no matter what. Chocolate almond is great. And then you made chocolate chip, right, honey?
Yeah.
Little chocolate chip mandel bread.
I like walnuts in mine too, but we ran out of walnuts.
Yeah, we ran out of walnuts. That's my favorite is walnut mandel bread, just walnuts. That's all. I love it. I love it in there. So what I did, guys, listen, I made this mixture. This is a very classic latke mixture, and I actually do sweet potato too the same way. I like to do sweet potatoes and shred them the same way. But then I just put it right into, I have this seasoned with a little bit of olive oil, and I put it right into the waffle iron. And I will tell you, I'm enjoying not having all of the fat frying everywhere and all over. But that's the classic way to do it. I love that way, believe me, but this is kind of nice. It keeps everything a little bit simpler, cleaner, kind of contained in one thing. And again, most of you may not have these little mini waffle irons, but if you have a big one, it's even better. You can do four at a time, which is great. And I'm silly for not using that because we have 8 people in our family. I'm going to be making latkes all night long. So 2 at a time. And they eat, all the boys come in and it's like little locusts. They come in and it's like it's gone. Okay, what happened to my plate of latkes? It's gone. So I'm just having a lot of fun here. I also have a little orange marmalade. You could do something savory like cream cheese. You could even do like a little smear of cream cheese on it with some sesame, some of the everything bagel seasoning, which I love. It's kind of my new addiction is everything bagel seasoning. You could do that on there. Really anything can go on here. You could do a little bit of Greek yogurt with pomegranate seeds. We have no pomegranate seeds. I'm not sure if any of you guys do either, but you could do different things, or berries, or whatever you want to do. You can do sweet, savory, a mixture of both. We like it all, so we kind of mix it up around here. And then you just flip it. I like to flip them over in here. Just take it, flip it over, because it is potato. There's a lot of moisture in potatoes. I did let these drip. I put them in a sieve, or you can put them in a pasta strainer. Let all the juices drain out for about 15 or 20 minutes because there's a lot of moisture in the potatoes. when you're grating them. So you want to let them drain and dry them out a little bit, and then you just put them in, and look, they start getting nice, and you can see all. Isn't that cool?
Yeah,
that's pretty cool. I mean, this is one of my favorite new ways of making latkes, and they come out nice and crispy and toasty. They're delicious. I can't wait to eat. I hope all of you guys are having a great holiday.
Somebody said, Purdy Curdy said she plugs in her big electric skillet and makes like 8 at a time.
Yeah, well, that's what we normally do. I promise you, I do. I have a pan about this big.
I think this is so smart, honey. This is really this is fun.
Is a cool way to do it. And again, this is fun for the kids because these are pretty kid proof. So if you have little ones, this is a fun way. You could even do the skillet for the adults. Could do the skillet over here, and you can have the little kids up on a stool doing your little. Working with them, obviously, because it's still hot. But this is a fun thing to do for them and make the kid version of the latkes as well. So
Nicole, tell Kathy Suzanne said, "Hey, cheese."
Oh, hey, cheese, Suzanne. That's way back. That's a blast from the past.
And Kim says hi.
Hey, Kim.
Pink lady. Shelby says she loves your shirt and your hair.
Well, I thought I would go really casual, but I love this because it just makes me happy when I look at the colors, and it's got a little baby on it, little baby deer on it, so it just makes me happy. It reminds me of Passover and Easter, and by the way, Easter's coming up as well on Sunday, so happy Easter to all of you, because I take something ahead of time. I will have something on at 5 o'clock for you guys on Sunday. It'll be Easter. And happy Easter, all of you. And
Siestas and Piper said, "You're a bright light in all these dark times."
Oh,
it was really
so
sweet.
Much. That's so sweet. It means a lot to me.
Button Daisy said, "Thank you, love you bunches." That's so
love
sweet.
You guys
love
too.
you too.
Love all of you as well.
A lot of people
so sweet.
Said, Happy Passover.
Happy Passover.
Super.
And did you show them the table, honey? We got the table kind of set. We're
working on it right now. We're working on it.
Turn around, give a little pretty, like a view of our table we have. Some flowers, candles. We have the matzah out. We haven't got our Seder plate out, but it's coming. It's in the fridge. So, and then we're going live with the whole family pretty soon on a virtual Passover dinner.
And then the kids got to find the matzah.
Excited. Yeah, then we got to find the matzah. And
I'm just kidding.
I just said find the matzah. I didn't tell them where it was.
Oh, they'll be running down.
I mean, yeah, we hit it really good. Believe me.
Jules said, "Thank you for doing this every day." And
of course, it's my. This is my gift to all of you.
I am Mr. Soft said, "Happy Easter."
You guys are amazing for us as well. You're a bright light for all of us too here in the Cora Ehrlich House, and so it's really it's great to connect with all of you every day, and just have even more friends around the world, and we get so many views from all over the country and from all over the world, which is so amazing just to hear people shouting out from Israel and from Canada and from places in Europe and Australia and Brazil, and it's just amazing. And then of course all over the country, all of you who are all over the U.S. That are shouting out. It's just right now, I know that we will get through this. We will come through this, and we're going to be better for it. I really believe that in my heart. And, I think things like this, uplifting each other every day, will get us through it. It'll make us stronger. We will never take each other for granted again, I hope. And, on that note, Lala says it's time for Passover dinner. So she is telling us that's our
cue.
That's our cue.
You can find all the recipes, right, on your website?
On my website, go to catcore.com. You can find all the recipes and more. We have videos, how to. We have the newsletter.
And if anybody needs any other tips or wants you to cook anything, they can just direct message you, right?
Direct message me or shout out to us on live when we're on live. Hey, I really want to see you do this. So feel free to just, whatever is on your mind. This is also about what mood are you in? What's on your mind? Talk to us. We're right here. Let's connect. Whatever. There's no topic that's off limits, I think. I mean, for the most part. So we love all of you. Again, happy Passover. And have
I love that
wonderful,
somebody's
wonderful
name is Clark Kent. Is your real name Clark Kent? He said, "Hey, ladies, from Edmonton, Alberta, Canada."
Oh, I love Canada. All right, you guys.
Happy Passover, everyone. Yeah.
All right. We love you guys. And again, stay safe out there. Stay healthy. Stay on lockdown, because we will be back having parties and events and celebrating, going to concerts and sporting events. We will be back doing family gatherings. We will be doing all that. And right now, just take advantage of this time. Keep it positive as you can. Take advantage of this time to just be together, or at least be connecting with your friends and family in a way you never did before.
And somebody said, what's for dinner? You want to just recap it one more time?
What's for dinner is we're going to have latkes. We're going to have a little bit of, we're going to have some meat and potatoes. We're going to have some matzah and honey and all kinds of just, we're going to have mandel bread for dessert. Yeah, so we're going to just be enjoying ourselves, you guys. So you too. Lots of love, giving you a big food hug, and happy Passover. See you tomorrow night at 5 p.m.
Jonathan Bennett is on tomorrow.
Jonathan Bennett is coming on. Jonathan Bennett, Cake Wars, coming on. Be on. Check it out. Ask him whatever you want to ask him. He's amazing.